Let me know if I can take it slow. Huwag ka na mahiya. Sige, sigaw mo lang.
So, what's up guys? Nandito nga ulit kami. So, welcome to our vlog. So, our vlog is about multimedia and ICT. Bye-bye!
Hey, multimedia!
Kaya niyo ba ng full day without phone? What? No Wi-Fi? No TikTok? Hindi ko kaya.
Exactly. That's how important multimedia and ICT in our daily lives.
So guys, ano nga ba ang multimedia? Simple lang. It's a combination of text, image, sound, video, and of course, graphics.
Kaya catchy ang TikTok, exciting ang YouTube vlogs at creative ang school project dahil sa multimedia!
Wow!
Multimedia makes learning more fun, interactive, and engaging.
Ito yung tools na gamit natin to connect and learn, like computers, internet, and smartphones.
Sa education, ICT makes online classes possible anytime, anywhere.
Bro, yun mo. Uy, sa taas.
Magulo ito!
May nag-jump.
Ano to, boy? Laro!
Nakakadetect na pare. Wala. Aray ko. At sa entertainment, hello, music, movie, and games. Communication, lagi tayong connected with friends and family. Signal.
In business, ICT powers online shops, remote job, and global teamwork. Basically, ICT makes life easier, faster, and more connected. Multimedia and ICT are not just tools. They're the heartbeat of 21st century.
One world, one click, endless possibilities.
So, dito na po magtatapos ang aming video. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next videos. And hanggang sa susunod na video.